Hello my lovelies, let's slow down together. This short breathwork video will help you soften the body, quiet the mind and make you feel more grounded. Find a comfortable position, either sitting upright with your feet on the ground or lying down. Let your hands rest gently on your lap or by your side. Close your eyes. Take a moment to simply arrive. Notice the contact your body makes with the surface beneath you. Let your shoulders soften. Let your jaw relax. And allow your breath to flow naturally. Begin by noticing your breathing without trying to change it. Feel the air entering and leaving your body. Notice where you sense your breath the most. Perhaps the rise and fall of your chest, the gentle expansion of your belly, or as the air moves in and out of your nose. If your mind wanders, gently bring your focus back to the rhythm of your breath. Each breath in and out, just as it is. Allow your breath to become your anchor in this moment. Place one hand on your chest and one on your belly. Relax your shoulders. Take a deep breath in, breathing in through your nose. Gently breathe out through your mouth as if you're breathing out through a small straw. And again, take a deep breath in. As you breathe in, think about letting your ribcage expand. Breathe out through your mouth and let your ribcage soften down. Take a deep breath in, breathing in through your nose, breathing in as much as you can, expanding your ribcage, and breathe out through your mouth. And again, take a deep breath in, breathing in through your nose, breathe out through your mouth, letting your body soften. And again, take a deep breath in, breathing in, expanding your ribcage. Breathe out through the mouth and let your ribcage soften down. On the next one, take a deep breath in through the nose, and this time just sigh as you breathe out. Take a deep breath in and just simply open your mouth and let the air escape. Take a deep breath in, breathe out through your mouth, and again take a deep breath in, breathe out through your mouth. Last one, take a deep breath in and simply breathe out through your mouth. Then bring your hands down gently onto your lap or by your side. Now we'll begin box breathing, a simple and powerful pattern to bring balance and calm. The pattern is: inhale for 4 counts, hold for 4, exhale for 4, and hold for 4. Keep the breathing smooth and steady. Imagine drawing the sides of a square with each cycle. One edge for the inhale, one for the hold, one for the exhale, one for the hold. And let's begin. Inhale for 2, 3, 4. Hold for 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 2, 3, 4. Hold for 2, 3, 4. Inhale for 2, 3, 4. Hold for 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 2, 3, 4. Hold for 2, 3, 4. Inhale for 2, 3, 4. Hold for 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 2, 3, 4. Hold for 2, 3, 4. Inhale for 2, 3, 4. Hold for 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 2, 3, 4. Hold for 2, 3, 4. Inhale for 2, 3, 4. Hold for 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 2, 3, 4. Hold for 2, 3, 4. And continue. If 4 counts feels too long or too short, gently adjust the count to fit your natural rhythm. The goal is ease, not effort. As you continue, notice how the body begins to relax, how the mind becomes quieter with each breath. And now let go of structure. Allow your breathing to return to its natural rhythm. Notice how it feels, perhaps slower, deeper, or more spacious. Take a few moments to simply rest in this calm awareness. Feel the sense of ease flowing through your body. And when you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the space around you. start to wiggle your fingers and toes, clench your fists, stretch your fingers. Take your hands into small circles. Shrug your shoulders and release. Shrug your shoulders and release. Take one arm forwards and use the other hand to pull your hand towards you, gently stretching down through your forearms. Open your eyes and move your body and just gently stretch. Allow your body to move. Move in the way that it wants to. Carry this sense of calm into the rest of your day or evening. Thank you for joining me for this short breath work. Take care and thank you.